features of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Yes, in my opinion, these which I'm going to tell you in this video are the top 5 features of this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So let's start with the display. Yeah, because the display is a thing which you cannot avoid in this, especially S21 Ultra mobile. Yeah, this S21 Ultra mobile comes with a 6.8 inches of Infinity O Dynamic AMOLED 2x display, which was protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, and this is a 120Hz refresh rate display. But what's the biggest thing about this display is it is a Quad HD plus resolution display. This mobile supports Quad HD plus resolution with 120 Hz of refresh rate, and this mobile's display can changes from 10 to 120 Hz based on the content what are you seeing and what are you doing on the display. This will give you a better battery backup, and this is called as adaptive display. And this mobile display brightness can go up to 1500 nits. By the way, this mobile got a punch hole on that front side, which looks very tiny like this. So yeah, this is the number one thing in this S21 Ultra mobile, that is a display. And the second biggest thing, I think, the camera. Here the camera is a thing which we cannot forget in this mobile, because this mobile comes with a 108 megapixels of wide angle selfie camera and also a 12 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, which supports dual pixel autofocus like the Canon 200D we have, and like the other many cameras. This dual pixel autofocus helps us in to zoom in or zoom out the pictures. And this mobile also got a 10x telephoto camera and also a 3x periscopic zoom camera, and this combine of these two cameras will give us a 100x hybrid zoom, yes, like the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra mobile can shoot up to 8K 24 FPS. Yeah, this is the tremendous thing about these cameras. So I think this is also a top 5 feature of this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, that is a camera, second thing. And the third thing, this is also a main important thing, that this mobile comes with a battery which is bigger than any other flagship mobile. Now these days a lot of flagship mobile does not comes with a battery which is a bigger battery except ROG Phone 3, but this mobile Samsung Ultra comes with a bigger battery. There's a 5000 milliamp of battery to power up this beast machine, and it supports 25 watts of wired and 15 watts of wireless, and also a 4.5 watts of reverse wireless charge. So yeah, battery is also a thing which we need. So third thing, battery. And when we talk about the fourth feature, yeah, it's a small feature, but it we have to talk about that. This comes in 3 different variants. Those are 12GB 128 and 12GB 256GB, and also 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage. Now when we talk about the RAM, this is a 16 gigabytes. Yeah, this is almost overkill. In my opinion, 12GB of RAM is enough, more than enough. 16GB absolutely overkill for any game and any other application. So yeah, this is a LPDDR5 RAM, and this storage capacity is also 3.1 UFS 3.1 storage capacity. So this is a fourth top 5 feature, 16 gigabytes of RAM, because this is the only mobile which comes with the 16 gigabytes of RAM except S20 Ultra. And when we talk about the last top 5 feature, that is a S Pen support. Yeah, this is the only mobile which comes with the S Pen support in the Samsung devices except Note series. Yeah, this is the only mobile which comes with the S Pen support. Now this mobile does not come with the S Pen included in the mobile like the Note 20 Ultra. We have to buy separately with a pouch, so that will cost around 5000 rupees, I think. So these are the top 5 features of this S21 Ultra. Those are display, camera, battery, S Pen, and also RAM. Yeah, if you like the video, hit the like button and also the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.